What's going on YouTube? GS right here. A brand new WEBKIT Jailbreak has been released, and this one is a jailbreak that you can use directly from Safari. You don't have to use a computer, you don't have to install an application. All you have to do is to essentially just go ahead on this website, press the re-jailbreak button over here, and it will jailbreak for you directly from your browser on your phone. So this one is called Totally Not Spyware version 2 because it's a re-jailbreak utility. It was developed by developer White Forever, and they say here, quote, release re-jailbreak utility for iOS 12 via WEBKIT exploit, supports only the Chimera Jailbroken A7 through A10 or A10X devices. So this is important. You have to be jailbroken with Chimera first. This will not jailbreak the device initially. However, once you're jailbroken once with Chimera, you can then re-jailbreak only with this tool over here available on this website. So you just go to this website, or you can bookmark it on your device. You press the re-jailbreak button and that's it. You don't have to re-sign Chimera again, and of course you don't have to use the Chimera application at all after that. The re-jailbreak tool is completely open source over here on GitHub, and it appears to also be using Alfie CG24's stable kernel exploit. It is credited in here. I'm not sure if it's being used as the default exploit, but it is being credited in here. And yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. And this works with iOS 12 through iOS 12.5.x, which means that devices that are now stuck with iOS 12, like for example the iPhone 6, will have a jailbreak tool directly from browser. You don't have to worry about re-signing, and that's actually quite great, especially since these devices actually had the former existing technology for jailbreaking up until this point. So that would have been the Chimera Jailbreak, maybe Checkmate, which definitely requires a computer. So to have a WEBKIT based jailbreak, that's definitely great. So yes, it's now available. Definitely check it out if you have one of these supported devices, and having one of these devices these days is actually quite a good idea, especially if you want to mess with jailbreaking without having to worry about Apple patching it out. Getting an A10 device or A11 device, A9 device, that would be great because you can play with jailbreak tweaks and so on without worrying about updates. Anyway, that's basically it. If you don't have a compatible device, you can also check out FlexStore. They provide no computer jailbreaks like Uncover, Dopamine, and so on. You can also check out tools like Plank Falza, Trollbox, and Misaka without a computer. They sign it with their own certificate. So yeah, definitely check it out below. Thank you for watching. I am GS now. Peace out.